It's the 8th of January and I'm in Mossman Rainforest, and this Rex River, I think it was, and it's drawn down to Mossman Gorge, and this rainforest is actually only a remnant of how the whole of Australia looked like many millions of years ago, before it went dry. And this rainforest is actually 180 million years old, 100 million years older than the Amazon, which is thought to be 80 million years. So it's amazing. It's really, really old, and it's home to a local Aboriginal tribe, and that woman over there, she's a member of that tribe, and she's our guide here in this forest and tell us about animals and plants, which one are dangerous, and her ancestors. They're like spiritual, like the spirits are thought to be here in this forest. And you can see some of the cliffs here, some markings like mosses that she thinks looks like men. So there in the middle of the picture here, this is supposed to be like a dingo and Aboriginal being with him and looking at us. I can't really see it, but that's what she says. But very beautiful rainforest.